I just built a WhatsApp CRM in under 10 minutes without any coding. Every customer messages from WhatsApp becomes a ticket here. So now my team can reply to any WhatsApp messages that we receive on our WhatsApp business number. And the best part is that all the customer data remains on my server, not on Meta's server, which means even if Meta bans our account, all our data will remain safe on our own server. So now let me show you how this works. So this is my WhatsApp. I'll simply ask, hey, I'm looking for AI automation services. Can you help me? So I've sent this message, and now if I open this dashboard, you can see this is the message I have got, and even my team member can have access to it, and they can simply reply here, yes, we do provide AI automation services. Can you tell me more about your business so that we can understand it more better? I'll send this, and as soon as I've sent it here, I'll open my WhatsApp. I can see I've got a response here. So this is how it is going to work. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this system in under 10 minutes without any coding. But first, I need to show you why most of the businesses that are running on WhatsApp are just one day away from losing everything. So this is your money disappearing in real time. So here is the reality for most of the small business owners right now. So you wake up in the morning and you have around, let's say, 47 WhatsApp unread messages, orders, questions, queries, leads. There are a lot of things going on, and everything is mixed under one chat window, and you are managing all of this just using your phone on WhatsApp. So you might forget to follow up on a particular lead, and that sale might go forever. There could be also a situation wherein your customer will message you at 2 a.m. in the morning, and it's not possible for us to reply, and that lead might go to a competitor, and it gets really difficult to see where your response is pending. And even your team also might not be able to help you because everything is going on your phone. So how would they help? And there is one more big issue. So Meta is nowadays banning a lot of WhatsApp business accounts, and those businesses had thousands of customers' data, years of conversations, order history, contact numbers. One morning they just open their phone and all of these are gone because Meta might have banned your account. This is a big problem for all business owners. Once those data are gone, it gets really difficult to get them back. This is not something that might happen someday. This is happening right now. Your business runs on WhatsApp, but your data should not live there. Instead, it should live on your own server, where no one can ever take it from you, and you have full control over your data. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to build this system in under 10 minutes. So before we build, let me show you how this whole thing is going to work in under 60 seconds. So once you see this, the setup will make complete sense. So customer sends a WhatsApp message, it goes to Twilio, and then it goes to your CRM. So this is the whole system. So three things work together here. So the dashboard that you saw in the beginning of the video, that is exactly what we are going to build using this tool. So the tool that makes CRM part possible is Hostinga Horizons. So it is an AI app builder. You just describe what you want and it builds you a working app, backend, database, login system, everything without any coding. And this is the most important part. You can see WhatsApp CRM templates right here, already built, already designed. So you are not starting anything from scratch. You will just have to pick one of this and you will have to connect with your WhatsApp. That's it. So the second tool is Twilio. You cannot connect any app directly with WhatsApp because Meta does not allow it. So Twilio is an official Meta partner. Every message your customer sends goes through Twilio, and then Twilio will pass it to your CRM system. When you reply from the dashboard, Twilio sends it back to WhatsApp. So you can set up your account for free in under 2 minutes. The third tool is WhatsApp. So here your customer will change nothing. They will simply message your WhatsApp business number in the similar way how they chat with their friends on WhatsApp. But on your end, it is going to land in a professional support system. So no coding required, no IT team. You can do it in under 10 minutes. So I'll come to this document here and I'll click on this link. So this is the page where you will land once you click on the URL. So now if I scroll down below, you can see 3 templates here. So out of these 3 templates, I'll select the best one. So for this case, I'll select this one. I'll click on preview here, and then this is what I'm going to see. I'll click on access template, and now I'll be clicking use template. So now if you have an account in Hostinga, you can simply log in, or else you can create a fresh new account. So for my use case, I already have got an account, so I'll just log in. So after logging in, this is the page that you will see. So here, if you see the plans, I'll click on see plans, and then here I can see the most popular plan. This is the one. So I'll choose the plan. I'll click here. So if you go with the 1 month plan, then this is what the cost is going to be. But I would recommend you to go with the 12 months plan, because here you're going to get a free domain for 1 year. Okay. Not only this, you're also getting a free hosting for 1 year. and then you're also getting 5 free email boxes, that is for 1 year. And then you can enter a coupon code of my name, DHIRAJ. Just click on apply and you are going to get 10% off. And there is a 30 days money back guarantee. So there is literally zero risk. If anything doesn't work, Hostinger refunds you everything. So go ahead and continue with the payment. So once the payment is done, you are going to land in this page. So on the left hand side, you can see it has duplicated the WhatsApp CRM project, and now it is asking me for Twilio account SID. It is asking for Twilio auth token, and it is also asking for Twilio WhatsApp number. Okay, so now I'll just copy this, I'll paste it here, and now I'll have to get these details from Twilio. So now let's come to our Twilio dashboard. So just come to Google and search for Twilio. So click on the first link. So if you don't have an account, simply click on start for free and you can create an account. I have already got an account. So for my use case, I'm simply going to log in. And this is how my Twilio dashboard will look like after you open the account. So now I'll have to copy this account SID and the auth token from here. So I'll simply copy this account SID. I'll come here and I'll paste it here. So now we need the auth token. For auth token, we'll come here again and just copy this, and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. So now we need Twilio WhatsApp number. So now we'll come to our Twilio dashboard here. So click on messaging and then click on try it out and then select send a WhatsApp message. And now you will see this page. Simply click on open WhatsApp, click on continue to WhatsApp web. So you can also open it using your phone, using the QR code scanner that you just saw, but I prefer WhatsApp web. So I'm opening it here. By default, this message will pop up here. Just click on send here. So now let me come to my Twilio dashboard. So here you will see an update. And boom, you can see message received. So I've got my WhatsApp number here from Twilio. So I'll just copy this number from here and I'll just paste this number here. So I'll click on enter now. And now we'll have to wait for some time. So now this is done. So now we'll have to click on publish. So I'll click on publish here. So let's wait for 100%. And boom, it is published now. We can see our website is live. So just click on view site. And then this is what we are going to see. So now one important step, Twilio needs a live URL before it can send messages anywhere. So now we'll go to Twilio and we'll paste the URL in this specific format. Okay. So let me come to this URL now. So just copy this whole URL here. So come to your Twilio dashboard. So click on sandbox settings. So here you can see, just delete this whole thing and just paste the URL that you have copied. And similarly, you have to do it here. Just delete the whole thing and paste the URL in this format. So now we have both the URLs. So I'll click on save now. So now you can see it is now connected to Twilio WhatsApp sandbox. So now we'll come to Hostinger Horizons dashboard. So we'll close this. So now before we test everything, there is one last thing that we need to do. So we need to create an admin account so that we can easily log into our CRM. And let me show you how to do this. So just click on data now. So after clicking on data, click on live data. So after clicking on live data, click on add new record. So keep this empty. So here I'll be entering the email. You can enter your email, your team member's email, or your customer support's email. So basically whosoever needs access to the CRM, you can enter their email. And you are not limited to only one user. You can come back here and add as many logins as the team needs. It could be 5, it could be 10. You can basically add your whole team. Everyone gets their own individual login. So here I'll enter my email ID and now I'll have to set a password. So let me set a password and then just toggle this on. It should be verified. And now I have to mention my name. And then if you have any picture or any avatar, you can simply upload it here. So I'm not doing it for this case, and just click on create. So once you add this admin details here, you'll have to publish it again. So just come here and click on publish changes. So now I'll come to this page and I'll simply log in. Okay. So this is the same email ID. This is the same password which we have just now created. So just click on login. And this is how the dashboard looks like. So right now you can see there are no tickets, okay, because there is no WhatsApp messages that the customer has sent. So now what I'll do, I'll come to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp and let me say hi. So now I have sent hi here. So now let me open my CRM and see how it looks there. So this is my CRM. So you can see I've got this message. You can see this is hi. Okay. So all the support tickets will come here. So now I can reply directly from here. So if I reply, hey, how can I help you? I'll click on enter. And now you can see the same message will pop up here. Let me ask, hey, can you help me with your services? I want to understand what do you offer? I'll send this. And now I'll open the dashboard again. Here I can see the message again and I'll reply here. Hey, we offer AI automation services. May I know what service are you specifically looking for? I'll click on enter, and now again we can see we have received the WhatsApp message here. This is really incredible. So even if you open this, just click on messages, you can see all the conversation that you have made with that particular customer, and every message will have its own ID number here. So this is a two-way communication, real time, and no coding is required to build this. So every single customer's record is going to get updated in the system. So it is sitting on your server, not Meta's. So even if Meta bans your account, all your data remains safe here. So everything that we have built so far, it runs on sandbox number, which is perfect for testing. But if you want real customers, here is what you need to do. So first, you'll have to verify your Facebook Business Manager. For this, just go to business.facebook.com. So this is a one-time thing. It will take you around 10 minutes. Second, inside Twilio, you will have to go to the messaging option and then just click on senders, and then you will have to register your WhatsApp number. And then Twilio is going to submit it to Meta for approval. And that approval might take around 2 to 3 days time. And as soon as it is approved, Twilio is going to send an email confirmation. And this happens for free. You don't have to pay for this. So once you receive that email, you will have to come back to your Hostinger Horizon project settings. Then you will have to update these two fields with your approved number. So Twilio WhatsApp number and Twilio WhatsApp from number. Then you will have to save it, and that's it. Nothing changes, only the number gets replaced. And then your CRM will be live. Real number, real customers with zero coding. So if you want to try this, you can find the link below in the description. Just use my coupon code DHIRAJ and you will get 10% off. So that's all for today. If you like this video, you can put a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more AI automation videos. Thank you so much for watching.